Greetings, everyone, and Happy New Year. Here we are at the beginning of 2024, a year with unlimited possibilities. So what are you going to do to get a fresh start and to start your new year off with a bang? Some people like to set resolutions where they think about what habits they want to make or break. Other people put together goals of what they want to achieve through the year. But what I found works really well for me is to set a one-word intention for the year. It's easy to do. I'm going to show you how. I'm Jill Miller. I am the Finishing School for Modern Women headmistress. I'm also the founder of the Badass Women of Wichita Alliance. Our next Badass meeting is on January 11th, where we'll work on what is your one word for 2024. We're going to do some creative thinking exercises. We're going to do some guided visualizations to help you come up with the word that matches your intention for the year. To join us, all you have to do is go to finishingschoolformodernwomen.com and sign up. The cost is $10 to attend. Thank you to our sponsor, Optometric Billing Solutions. I sure hope you'll join us. See you in class.